It's a symbol for Antwerp and for the port. People are very proud to work in our new port house. My name is Marleen Eijsen. I work at the Port Authority and I'm a program manager for the new way of working in here. 8 years ago, they decided to build this new building, and then they drew up a plan in how do we want to work here. And there were words like collaboration, working together, transparency, moving, etc. And that's what we try to do in this building. I like to work with people and also to work on mindsets, because I know that people don't like to change, and if we can convince them that changing is not so difficult and that it's worth doing and worth trying, then I've succeeded, and that makes me happy.
As designers, we are in charge of the communicative capacity of the built environment, of its expressiveness or its demeanor, how it invites people in. We're not envelope designers, we are designing experiences, spaces. So the whole phenomenology of the built environment is my expertise. The Havenhuis is a great example of contemporary working conditions, which is activity-based, which is freely roaming space offerings, which needs to be very fluid, very open, very flexible. You can see what somebody else is doing, you can turn around, you're surrounded by people, rather than having a kind of exaggerated spacing apart.
I'm convinced that people talk more, work together in a better way. You don't have to sit all day at the same desk. You can move, and teams sit together in the same open space, so they see each other, they meet each other, which is better for cooperation, for collaboration, and to solve problems and create new ideas.
The building is an experience for us. We were inspired by the raw condition of the harbor, the large scale, the ships, the cranes. So we wanted to do something which signals presence, and so we put the building on top, on axis of this big water basin which leads to it, so to make a strong statement, but also have something very contemporary. There's a number of wonderful moments, and anybody who can help us pull off such a spectacle and difficult task is of course amazing, including Schüco, and I think they've been brilliant. There must have been.
You need innovation, and this building and this way of work enables it to be innovative. I think it has to be the future of work, yeah. It's architecture and technology together.